Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, yes, you're saying hi too. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for the support. In this video, this is part 2 of my how to hair conditioning mask bars video. So if you haven't checked that out, please check that out. I'll leave the link in the cards above, okay? So you can check that out real quick to see how I made these conditioning bars. Now, I allowed these conditioning bars to thaw out. I had them in the freezer so they could harden. So they thawed out for several hours, and I added absolutely no water to these bars. Okay, so here I have a glass cup, which I will show you how I will get these bars to soften. So just gonna take the glass cup and pour a little bit of the water in there. And then I have my spatula here. I'm just gonna simply get in there, kind of crush up these bars. This is gonna require a little elbow grease here to get it to soften, because again, I didn't put any water. So it's very convenient to make. It's not just need to add some effort to it to make sure it's. So I'm gonna mix this up real well. Okay. Mix it up real well. I keep stirring and stirring. This is what I'm gonna keep doing, and then you'll see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so here's where we are so far. Just the word of caution. I had to switch out my spatula and use a spoon. It's really thick, and that's okay. But I would say, I'm gonna tell you right now, when you're using these bars, to get them to be really creamy, you have to do a lot of stirring. See what I'm doing here? I'm really getting in there and getting this thing stirred up really nice. As I didn't add water before when I was making it, so yeah. And the reason why I didn't add water is because I didn't want to have to be worried about adding like a preservative to this. I could just put this in the freezer and have it in the freezer for as long as possible, because it was made with butters and oils, you know, and those things don't require any like preservative. Whenever you have water in a product, you have to have a preservative. So to skip that step, I just decided to show you all like how to make this without water. That way, when you're ready to use it, all you do is simply add the water to it after. But as you can see, look how gorgeous this looks. And so this is what it looks like. And next you will see how I apply this beautiful mixture to my hair. Alright, so the conditioning mask is complete. So I put enough water that I need, and it's nice and creamy. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna spray my hair with some water. My hair is freshly washed. I use a shampoo from the Cantu Shea Butter line. The Cantu line, yeah. It's a sulfate-free shampoo, so I use that. And yeah, so just wet my hair. take some of the, it's very pastely because it's a thick mask. It's meant to be a thick mask. And what I'm simply doing is applying it to the length of my hair. You don't have to put this on your scalp. It has butters in it, so you don't need to have butters on your scalp. Just the hair. Focus on the length of your hair. And the butter, the mango butter, is very conditioning to the hair. The Ayurvedic powder, which is the Amla, is a natural hair conditioner. That herb is natural hair conditioner for the hair. A lot of the Indian women, they use Ayurveda as a means to help grow their hair. And you know, there's a lot of Indian women, they have the most beautiful long hair, you know, and their hair practices are very simple, but they get great results. And so yeah, and a lot of women in the natural hair community have used Ayurvedic practices to help grow their hair. There's so much information out here for you ladies. You could try out different herbs, different recipes, and see what works for you. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's really defining the curls and everything. So this time I'm gonna do all the sections on camera so I can show you a thorough view on my hair completed.
Usually I'll cut it off from here and then come back and all that, but I want to show you what it looks like, what I'm doing in real time. So yeah. Do a little chit chat with you all. How's everybody doing? How's your week going by so far? These weeks have been pretty hectic and long, but to God be the glory, we're still here. We're still alive and well, you know, in spite of what's been going on, like the difficulties we face on a day-to-day. But God is still faithful to us, and you know, we need to be grateful. We gotta be grateful. We give thanks each and every day. So, as you can see, I'm trying to apply as thorough as possible. I'm trying to be as thorough as possible. The application, make sure it gets into all my strands. It's quite thick, but that's the thing with a mask. It's supposed to be thick, you know, to help coat the strands and give it the moisture and the strings and to really work, you know. Conditioning masks are different than rinse outs. Rinse outs are a lot more liquefied, but whenever you need to, you know, give your hair extra boost, do a mask, because it really rejuvenates your strands. I don't do masks often. I do them every few months. For my hair type, I have normal medium porosity hair. If you want a video, I have a video that I made recently. I didn't edit it or post it yet, but if you want to know how to test your porosity, leave a comment down below and let me know if that's a video you'd like to see, you know, me do to show you like how you test your porosity, your hair's porosity. Knowing your hair's porosity is very important because what that does is it just is the deciding factor on what kind of products to get when you're going out to the stores and buying things. You know what to get, you know what your hair, you don't know what your hair likes or what your hair doesn't like when you know your porosity. Hair typing is not important. It's not that important, you know. It's the porosity. You need to know the porosity of your hair because it really is going to make a difference in your in the choices you make in regards to your hair. You know, you'll know how much moisture to add to your hair. You'll know how much treatment you need, you know, on a monthly basis or weekly basis. You know, there's some naturals who they have to do certain types of things very often, depending on their hair's porosity. And then there are naturals who don't have to do as much. You know, they don't have to do as much. They can keep a very simple regimen, and it works. And then there's some naturals whose regimen is very complex. And you're like, oh my gosh, like she's doing so too much. But it's what her hair requires because of her porosity, because of the level, you know, moisture levels, how much her hair needs. You know, and that's the beauty about, you know, natural hair. We're just so unique and different. Oh my gosh, like, it's beautiful. It's beautiful what God, how God has created each and every one of us, you know, women to be different in our own way. And He gave us these beautiful curls this beautiful head of hair that all have their own personality. It's like it has its own personality. Everybody's hair is not the same. Even when it may seem like you may have a similar texture as a next sister, but her hair is still different. It's still going to be different than yours. There's still going to be characteristics about her hair that's going to be different from yours. And so, you know, but it just makes us all just unique and beautiful, you know, in the sight of God, because we are fearfully and wonderfully made. I'm almost done. But yeah, you know, yeah, but yeah, my son is over there chatting away. Wanna say hi? Say hi to everybody. Yeah, I just wanted this to be a very chill, laid back kind of video. So let me know if these types of videos you want to see. I do mostly DIY, other types of DIY videos, especially like perfume making, body spray stuff. But DIY is what I mainly do on the channel for the most part. And then I have some face content and I have some, you know, other things here. But just let me know in the comments what more do you want to see. If you want to see more hair stuff, feel free, you know, to let me know. But the thing with me, like with my hair regimen, like I try to keep it as simple. So yeah, my regimen is very simple. I try not to do too much. And from my hair side, it works. You know, simplicity for me, it works, but also, you know, doing good things to it, like doing good things to my hair. You know, with the natural products and stuff like that, I use from time to time. And, you know, I'm learning how to take a more easier approach to natural hair care rather than fussing about all the, you know, all these other things. So, but also giving my hair what it needs, you know, giving my hair what it needs, but at the same time, I'm not like, you know, doing too much. Like, I'm keeping it simple, you know. I keep my hair very simple. Even my hairstyle, I don't do a lot of manipulation to my hair. I keep my hair wrapped up most of the time, but I am taking care of it. You know, because you can't just be having your hair wrapped up, tied up, put up in weaves and wigs and all this stuff, and you're not doing anything to it. You know, it just defeats the purpose of, you know, it just defeats the purpose, you know. Take care of what you have, you know. You put it away, but you gotta take care of it too. You know, don't just leave it, you know. And when you don't feel like doing your hair at times, and you're just not in the mood and you just don't have the energy, don't touch your hair. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Let it sit. It'll be alright. You know, what you can do is, if you just don't feel like doing your hair for a particular time, all you gotta do is just take a bottle of water, right? And a spray bottle, spray your hair a little bit. Just leave it in the style. Don't touch it. Don't mess with it. Leave it in the style. Take a bottle of water. Just spritz it on top of your head. Spritz it a little bit all over your head. And then take an oil or whatever creams you use and just dab a little bit on your head or whatever. Tie your hair down with a satin or silk scarf and leave it alone. And then like, okay, I'll deal with it if it feels dry. If it feels dry and you really don't feel like doing anything, just do a really quick little, you know, something where you just go through it real quick. And then you don't bother with it until you're mentally ready to deal with it. You know, and that's what I've done. I've done that many times with my hair. You know, when I feel overwhelmed, I just don't want to be bothered, you know, do anything. You know, you do that and it's fine. And then guess what it's doing? In the meantime, it's growing. Yeah, it's growing. Before you know it, you'll be reaching lengths you never knew. you never knew you'd be able to reach. So, yeah. So last section. Thank you so much if you reached this far. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And so I just want to show you once again. This is the top part of my hair, what it's doing, see? Yeah, this is what it's doing. It defines my curls. And already, immediately when I apply it to my hair, I can feel my strands feel a lot more resilient. It's like, I feel like I'm giving it the extra boost. So, what it needs right now, the extra strength that it needs. So, this is what it looks like. So, I'm finished with all the sections. So
I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to take off these. Take out the bantu knots I did there. Just to show you. Stand up and show you. Yes, Baboon? Okay, I'll be right with you, okay? Yeah. Just want to show you here what my hair is looking like. I just love the way, you know, whenever I use, especially Amla, like, I love that Ayurvedic powder. It just defines my curls. As you can see, it's showing you how defined it is there. So, yeah. So I have a little bit more left, but yeah, just kind of stab it there. All the areas, and don't forget your nape. Forget your nape area. Okay. Don't forget your nape. Your edges too. My edges have been doing well. Been growing back. I'm using my my hair oil, and it's been doing really good after postpartum shedding and stuff like that. Yeah, So hopefully you give this a try. Yeah, hopefully you give this a try. And thank you so much for watching this segment of me applying this to my hair. I hope you give it a try. And like I was saying before, it does take a little bit of time to really smooth it out. You know, once you add the water, you gotta really mix it really well. But I'm telling you, it is worth it. I'm telling you, I just applied it to my hair and I already feel my strands strengthened. It feels resilient, strong, and that's what you want. You want your hair healthy. You want it to be strong, resilient against breakage. Not that breakage doesn't come, because sometimes breakage does come with the things we do manually and other things that we do to our hair, you know, with manipulation. But these masks help to maintain, and that's what you want to do. Maintain your hair. So thank you once again for watching. Be sure to like, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Share with friends and family. And subscribe to the channel if you're interested. And remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So I'll see you all in the next video. Later.